Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar sir classes. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು EMI chapter magnetic flux ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. We'll be discussing chapter electromagnetic induction and topic is magnetic flux. Let us see the very first problem. What it is saying, a coil of area ನೋಡಪ್ಪ area ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, they have given the area is situated in a uniform magnetic field B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, and makes an angle of theta degree. Okay, theta degree is what with respect to what? B. Okay, B and A. Okay, B and A, that is very very important. We know that what is the equation for a magnetic flux through the surface. Magnetic flux through this surface is given by phi is equal to vector B dot of vector A. Okay, that is equal to BA cos theta. Okay, BA cos theta. How much they have given B? B they have given 4. Okay, 4. How much they have given area? Area they have given in meter square only, and this is also Weber per meter square. Directly I can multiply 0.5 into cosine of the angle. Cosine of the angle between B and A. Okay, B and how much? Cos of 60 degree. That is equal to 4 into 0.5 into 1 by 2. Okay, 2 times second order. 2 into 0.5 is 1 Weber. 1 Weber is the right answer. So easy it is. Okay, you should not get scared of this diagram. Okay, just they have given, okay, B they have given 4 and A they have given area 0.5 and theta is given. Okay, you have been given theta. B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ 4 Weber per meter square. Okay, and then area they have given. How much? Area is 0.5 meter square. Okay, that's all. You know this formula. Okay, phi is equal to B dot of vector B dot of vector A. B A cos theta. Just 1 Weber is the right answer. Hope you understood. Next problem ನೋಡೋಣ. A coil of n turns, okay, and area A. Okay, now you have one coil. Okay, here n number of turns are there. Okay, right, and area is rotated at the rate of n rotations per second in a magnetic field of intensity A. The magnitude of the maximum magnetic flux will be, okay, this is area and magnetic field, okay, are making angle theta. Okay, they are parallel to each other. Okay, now what is the maximum flux? Maximum flux is given by B into A. Okay, we know that what is phi is equal to? Phi is equal to vector B dot of vector A, that is equal to BA cos theta. Okay, when theta is maximum, when phi is maximum, when theta is, when phi is maximum, when theta is 0, that is B into A. Okay, now like this, how many terms are there? Okay, like this, how many turns are there? N number of turns are there. Okay, n turns are there. N turns are there. Okay, we know that flux is maximum when theta is equal to 0 degree. Here how many turns are there? Therefore we have written B into A. Here how many turns are there? N turns are there. Therefore you have to multiply by n. Okay, nba. Phi max, that is total phi max will be how much is equal to nba. This is the right answer. Hope you have understood. Okay, theta is 0 degree here. Theta is 0 degree. Next, again consider the following figure. A uniform magnetic field ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ? Point B is equal to how much? 0.2 Tesla ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ. 0.2 Tesla they were given is directed along the positive x-axis. Okay, positive x-axis. This is positive x-axis vector B. Okay, now how much is this? You have to calculate the angle. We know that what is phi is equal to? Phi is equal to vector B dot of vector A. Okay, that is equal to BA cos of theta. BA cos of theta, where theta is the angle between B and A. Okay, this is BA, this is B. Okay, where the A will be into, it is 60 degree. Okay, like this it will be, right? Okay, where the, this will be A, this is the area, right? What is the angle of this one? Okay, this is how much? See, this is angle is 30 degree. Okay, with vertical 30 degree. Okay, either total it is 90 degree. This will be how much? This will be 60 degree. This theta will be how much? This theta will be equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. This already it is given here. Okay, theta is 60 degree. Understood? Now you want to understood how to calculate the angle. To calculate the angle between B and A, okay, this is area if I consider, okay, A, okay, this is perpendicular to the surface, okay, and this is B, and this is 30 degree because angle with the horizontal is 30 degree. This will be how much? 90 minus 30 60 degree, 60 degree, okay. Now I can write phi is equal to B h ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 0.2, okay. Area is how to calculate area? 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, okay. Area is what? 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This will be equal to 100 centimeter square, means 100 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Theta is how much? Into cos of 60 degree, right? That is phi is equal to 0.2 into 100 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು? 0.1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I can write phi is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1 into 10 to the power of 2, right? And again into 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 3 I can write. 10 to the power of minus 3 is nothing but what? Milli. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is that is 1 milli Weber. 1 milli Weber. Phi is 1 milli. We know that how much is phi? Phi is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 and rest ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. That is 1 milli and rest 10 to the power of minus 3 milli Weber. Okay, milli Weber is the right answer. 1 milli Weber is the right answer. Hope you understood. Be careful about angle theta here. Okay, the angle between B and A is 60 degree here. Okay, this is clearly it is mentioned reflecting here. Okay, angle with the horizontal is 30 degree, ಇದು 60 degree ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Next problem. And now what is saying? A circular loop of radius r carrying current I lies in xy plane. Okay, xy plane ಅಂತಪ್ಪ. Okay, we will write. Let us say this is x, this is y. Okay, this is z. Okay, which is center at origin. Okay, now this is xy plane. This is xy plane. Now here, if it is circular loop ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ okay, of radius r ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Okay, I will try to write a circle of radius r ಈ ಥರ. Okay, radius r. Now this is what? This whole thing is what? xy plane. This whole thing is what? xy plane appa. Okay, this whole thing is what? xy plane. Alvanappa. Now current I is flowing. Let us say current I is flowing. If this is the direction of current, where the magnetic field will produce like this. Okay, it will be outward like this. But inward in the xy plane. Okay, whatever is going here, it will be inward in the xy plane. Alvanappa. Therefore, what happens? Flux of xy plane. Flux of xy plane is equal to flux of circular plus flux of remaining. Okay, that is equal to outgoing. This is outgoing plus incoming. How much is outgoing? Same as incoming. Therefore, plus will be how much? Otherwise, you can say that what is B is equal to, what is phi is equal to vector B dot of vector A. Okay, that is equal to BA cos of theta. Here, vector B is what? Vector B is what? B is perpendicular to what? B is perpendicular to xy plane. Perpendicular to xy plane. Okay, therefore here theta is equal to 90 degree. If theta is equal to 90 degree, how about the flux? Flux will be 0. Okay, Hope you understood this. You might have enjoyed this okay, topic. Kindly do subscribe for my channel. Ask doubts in the comment box. Like it and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I wish you all the best.